Hello everyone, in this particular lecture we are going to look at an example of conditional split in SSIS. So conditional split is just like if condition. So based on the condition data is routed. Okay, so in order to better understand the concept, let me just create my package first. So I'm going to create a new package. So I'm going to call this package conditional split example, CS example. Okay, I will select the data flow section, click this, then I'm going to select the source. So first I need to select my source. So I'm going to select the database as my source, OLEDB source. So what I want to read data from a database table. So for that you need to use this source. So let me show you my table from where I'm going to read data. So this is my table, merge underscore table. In this table I have ID, first name, last name, gender, country, age and department ID. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to configure this. Click this. So what I am doing right now, I'm creating a new connection. I'm creating a new OLEDB connection. I'm creating a new DB connection. So what I don't want to create this new connection again and again. Okay. So what I can do, I can create a new connection here in the connection manager. So I will create a new connection manager, new connection. Now from here I'm going to select the database connection. So where is my database connection? I need to select from here. So I will select this. Okay, click OK. So I have selected this database connection. Now if I'm going to select this option, I don't need to create a new connection. So from drop down menu I'm going to select this. Okay, now table, name of table of or view table, I'm going to select this one, merge underscore table. So this table I will select. Columns, error output, columns. Now these are the columns of this table. So this step is done and dusted. Next I'm going to use the conditional split transformation. So conditional split, drag and drop here. Based on the condition I'm going to route my data. So combine the first step with the second step with the conditional split step. Now here I'm going to specify the condition. So I will specify the condition on this particular column, country. If country equals to US, United States, let me write a condition equals to United States. The output will be USA. So this will be USA employees. Okay. Now if country equals to country France, then output will be France. This is the default output name. So this is going to be default output. Okay, so if country equals to United States, this will be the output. If country equals to France, this will be the output name. This one will be the default output. So okay, now next I'm going to select the OLEDB destination. OLEDB destination. Okay, map this, the first one. This one is going to be output. The first one is going to be USA. USA will go to this destination. The second one is going to go to the second one destination, this one, France. The third one, so I'm going to have another connection database. This will go to the default. This will be the default. So I'm going to have 3 destinations. The first one based on the condition. So this is the condition: United States, this will go to this destination, France will go to this destination, and the default output will go to the this destination. In the default output, I'm going to get data other than USA and France. Now let me just configure this. I don't need to create a new connection. Okay, it is already there. So table name will be, so I'm going to create a new table for this. Table will be USA. So this will be the name of table. Mappings, fine. Second one, I'm going to create new. This one is going to be France. Click OK. The third one is going to be default table, where I'm going to get data other than France and USA. Default employees. Okay, default. So in my first table, I'm going to get data of USA employees. Second one will get France employees. Third one will get data of employees other than USA and France. I have to save this. Now after saving this, I am going to execute this package. It seems there is an error. Okay, what is the error? France, fine. This one is the name of table, default. What error I am getting? There was error during execution. One or more component failed. Which one? This component is failed. Table or view, mapping columns on the mapping. Okay, fine. Mappings. Okay, fine. Save this. Now execute this. Okay, the process is successfully executed. Now I need to check my tables. So 3 more tables will be created. Refresh. And table names are this one, USA. This will have USA employees. Look, country USA, all USA employees. The second one will be France. This will have France employees, all data France. The other one, default, this will have data other than France and USA. Okay, so this is the concept of conditional split. Based on the condition, it is going to split your data. So hope you understood the concept. Thank you so much and have a great learning.